Hello, I'm Tom Harris, Application Specialist for Loctite Construction Adhesives. We've partnered with Decorative Panels International to provide best installation methods for an exciting new wall covering product, DPI's Rustic Planking. Today, we'll be reviewing the materials and steps needed to make your project a success. Remove the planks from the carton and place them around the room where they'll be installed. Allow air to circulate around all sides. For first and second floor applications, acclimate the planks for 24 hours before installing. For below grade, acclimate the planks for 48 hours. Gather up a few simple tools you'll need, and let's get started. Your walls must be solid, smooth, and clean. Do not apply planks over open studs. Scrape any loose paint or plaster and level the surface. If installing over a painted surface, most flat and semi-gloss paints provide a base for acceptable adhesion, but make sure the surface is completely dry prior to installing DPI's Rustic Planking. Use a vapor barrier for exterior walls or below grade prior to installing planks to prevent moisture migration. See DPI's detailed instructions or visit us online. Using a level, mark a reference line on your wall. This will help you get a good start in installing the planks consistently. Most walls are a little uneven, but that's why trim molding was invented. Measure planks according to the layout you determine is most pleasing. Randomly staggering the vertical joints will provide a very appealing look. A few simple saw cuts are all you need. Cut the planks face up with a handsaw or face down with a power saw. This minimizes any sanding needed to smooth the rough edges. Allow a gap equal to the thickness of a quarter between the planks and along all edges. This serves two purposes: to provide visual aesthetics and to allow for any dimensional movement. Remove the red cap and cut the tip to the 1/4 inch thickness mark. Insert the cartridge into the caulking gun. Apply Loctite Power Grab all-purpose adhesive in 3 separate, non-connecting lines directly to the plank. Run the beads about a 1/2 inch in from the top and bottom edges and all the way to the side edges. Install the first plank, aligning it to the level reference line on your wall. Work your way up or down the wall 1 plank at a time. Install and stagger the planks for the look you're after. Be sure to allow gap equal to the thickness of a 1/4. Wipe any excess Loctite Power Grab all-purpose adhesive that may have squeezed out the side with a clean, wet paper towel or rag. Thanks to Loctite's Instant Grab technology, no nailing or bracing is required for most installations. Working your way to the ceiling, floor, or corner will likely require some cutting and fitting. Be patient. Make a few measurements and cuts, and you'll get a professional-looking installation. If you do make a mistake, Loctite Power Grab all-purpose adhesive allows for repositioning within the first 15 minutes. After this time, not to worry, you can always scrape it off and try it again. Finish off your corners, along the floor, or at the ceiling with compatible trim molding. Use a matching color or contrasting look for a more dramatic effect. Step back and enjoy the results. By following the tips and techniques discussed today, this low-cost solution will give your room a professional, high-end look.